Here's a very simple way to fix a large hole in your wall, taking it from this to this within minutes. So it's very easy. What we're gonna do first is take this insulating foam spray and spray it in that hole. This is going to give us the foundation. This right here is the game changer right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray it in the hole. Of course, shake it up, spray it in that hole, and make sure that it's covering all the area that you're trying to cover up or repair. So once you spray it in that hole, what it does is it's going to expand, right? I always, when I spray this foam spray, I always spray too much. But the beauty of it is it can be trimmed down. So no matter how much you spray in there, it's going to expand. No matter how little you spray in there, it's going to expand. Think of this foam spray as your foundation, which is replacing you having to cut a hole so that you can replace it or fill in that hole with a new piece of drywall. So once it starts to dry, it will expand like this, but as you can see, it's still soft. So you want to let it harden before you start to cut into it. So now it's hardened, as you can see, and now I can start cutting into it. So what I did was I used a knife, but you can use a blade, whatever you need. I mean, it's easy to cut. And as you can see, I'm cutting around it. I'm cutting the access areas off. And then I'm trimming it down a little bit lower than being flush with the drywall. And that's because when I add my next layer, I need a little space so that the next layer can be flush with the drywall. You don't want the foam to be flush with the drywall. You actually want it to be a little bit lower than flush with the drywall. And it all makes sense once we get to the next step. But as you can see, that's what the foam looks like once it's hardened. And yeah, just keep trimming around that hole, or keep trimming around that drywall and cutting the foam so that you can get it to the desired level. As you can see, that's what it looks like once I trimmed it down. So this is a close-up showing you how I trimmed it just below being flush with the drywall, which is very important. All right, so next we're gonna use this spackle. So I'm basically just putting a spackle over the foam. And this is why I said to make sure to cut the foam a little bit lower than it being flush with the drywall, so that the spackle can become flush with the drywall, not the foam. The foam is just the foundation. So this spackle right here is, I mean, it's pretty cool. It actually goes on pink and then it dries. When it dries, it turns white. So the indicator that it's dry is when it turns white. What I like about this spackle is most drywalls are going to be white, right? So in this case, this wall is painted like a eggshell type of white, but close enough for me until I actually paint the whole room. So yeah, this actually works great. I use this spackle on a lot of things. So once you apply the spackle, you're just gonna let it dry. Now once it dries like this, like I said, it turns white when it's dry. Now you can start sanding it down. So I got a little sandpaper, sanding it down, trying to smooth it out so that it can be flush with the drywall, with the wall. And so, yeah, I'm doing that on both sides, but I didn't do it perfectly. I just did it enough because I said I was going to come back and paint it. So I was going to really work on smoothing it once I was ready to paint. But the objective was to cover that hole. So as you can see, it's looking a lot better than it did when I started. And so, yeah, just take that sandpaper, start sanding it down. Once it's sanded down, smooth it out as best as you can, making sure it's flush with the wall, and paint over it, or leave it like it is, like I'm doing for right now. You're good to go. As you can see, I'm tapping the wall where the hole was, and you can hear it. It's solid on both sides. Definitely check out the links in the comment section. It's going to take you to the products that I'm using today. If you got value from this video, show some love and smash the subscribe, like, and bell notification to get the latest HE content. And if you like this video, definitely check out the next video.